Attention, Gigafactory Germany. Tesla will probably stop Model Y deliveries. According to many of those affected, Tesla has stopped the delivery of Model Y manufactured in the Gigafactory Germany, at least temporarily. At the moment, however, one can only speculate about the reasons and the exact extent. The Gigafactory in Germany is apparently not under a good star for Tesla. The resistance of the local residents was followed by problems with the production. When the first Model Y rolled off the assembly line, not all buyers were satisfied with the quality. Now that Tesla was able to produce more than 1,000 vehicles a week for the first time, a delivery stop follows. A number of those affected report that Tesla has postponed the delivery of their vehicles planned for the coming days by a few weeks. Since June 25, 2022, reports of canceled deliveries have been piling up in the Tesla Drivers and Friends forum, which claims to be the largest German-speaking Tesla community. There are already over 250 comments on the subject in a corresponding thread, including many that make similar statements. Accordingly, she contacted Tesla to postpone the delivery date planned for the coming days, in many cases well into July, sometimes until the beginning of August. There is no official email or announcement from Tesla. Most of those affected write that they were contacted by telephone. Nothing is known about the exact problem either. Some in the forum write that there are firmware problems. Others report missing parts or problems with the drive unit. Sometimes it is said that not all Model Y are affected. Sometimes that vehicles that have already been delivered will probably be recalled in the coming week. So far it's all rumors. Let's see what comes from official channels. The forum also refers several times to a thread from mid-May 2022, which deals with engine damage in the Model Y as early as April 2022. U.S. consumer advocates had reported about increasing failures of the rear engine on the Model Y in the USA. As Tesla Mag writes, in China, there was also an extensive recall in April because of the rear engine, but in this case only the Model 3 was affected. Elon Musk makes Tesla service a priority. The industry blog Electric recently provided another indication that Tesla could currently have serious problems with defects in its vehicles. He reported that Tesla is currently massively expanding its service infrastructure, including with employees from other departments who would hardly have worked in a car repair shop before. Tesla boss Elon Musk is said to be dissatisfied with the service quality, especially with the long waiting times. Accordingly, Tesla service is currently the top priority, even before reaching the quarterly targets.